What's good, everyone? So today, what we're going to be doing, we're going to do a review on a little phone case here. So, got my iPhone 12 Pro in and figured I'd buy a case. And this brand here is named ranvoo, R-A-N-V-O-O. So, I never used these cases before. I used to use the Spygen cases all the time. They usually work out for me pretty good. My last phone was the iPhone X. Had that phone for 3 years. Same case on it, the same Spygen case. And it was pretty damn good. So figured I'd try something else, get a little clear case. I got the white iPhone here. So do a little unboxing, little review, check this phone case out. Comes with 2 screen protectors. I'm not going to put the screen protectors on. Never use screen protectors. Always bought warranty for my phone. Use Square Trade. So let's check it out. And while I'm opening this, check out my channel. While I figure out how to open this up, make sure take a look at my channel. I'm doing other reviews. I'm doing reviews on tech. Also trying to find the best barbecue sauces out there. And I'm also reviewing instant ramen, best to worst. Trying to find the best out there. So take a look at that. Maybe you might find something you like on my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. So we got here, it's a case. And we got a nice little installation booklet. This is pretty cool. Feel like I just got this in the mail. So you got a little QR code on the front. It leads to instant installation video. So let's see what's in this envelope. This is your tempered glass screen protectors. Pretty cool. So here we go. Got your clear iPhone case. Not gonna be needing that. Here we are. This is your wet wipe. This is for your tempered glass. Actually, here you go. Take a good look at that. Oh, what's this? A gift for you. Scan the QR code. Customer support. And this is your phone case here. It was supposedly supposed to have a nice little lip on it. Look like it does. And the back here is a little bumped out. And you got a little plastic covering on it. Oh, that was a fail. There you go. Take the back covering off. Even clearer now. Alright, let's try it out. So, back is pretty hard. Feels pretty grippy. Doesn't feel like it's gonna slide out your hand. You got a nice little rubbery feel to it. Feel like it's gonna protect the phone pretty well. Buttons are clicky. You can reach the volume button pretty well. Pretty cool. The bottom. Let's check if an aftermarket charger fits on it. This is a Amazon USB-C to Lightning adapter wire. And as you can see, it's a little thicker than a regular wire. Let's see if it fits into the bottom of the phone case. There you go, no problem. Snug fit. Pretty cool. Let's check if you could charge this iPhone with a mag charger. Yes, you can. And it sticks. Sticks pretty well. Phone is pretty level. Shake my whole table. So it's flush. The back piece here, there's a little tiny lip on it. Not much. But when it sits here, it's flat. So it's not that much, it's not going to be rocking. Feels pretty good. Feels grippy. It doesn't feel slidey at all. So I've been holding this phone for a while now, and there's not that much fingerprints on it. The fingerprints is from when I was holding my phone, because this is the white and it got the chrome around it, the silver. So basically you're gonna see your fingerprints through the screen, through the case here. So that's the only issue. So make sure you wipe your phone down before you put it in your case, because it's not really the case that's showing fingerprints. It's actually my fingerprints that was already on my phone. So, and there you go. You can see there's not even that much of a lip here on the camera. Thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure y'all take a look at my channel. Look through my other videos, see if there's anything you like and subscribe. On to the next video. Let's see what this get a free gift is. Well, what do we got here? Congrats for your supporting. This is a lucky order. Hope you enjoy it. What should I pick here? What should I pick? What should I pick? Oh, you can't pick nothing. Trickery. You just gotta put your email and name and send.